Yeah. Okay. What's up, you guys? Good morning. I'm only on my first cup of coffee right now. Just putting that out there. So, yeah. This week has not gone according to plan at all. I've been trying to do a whole bunch of filming for you guys, but unfortunately none of it has really worked out at all. So, today I was originally gonna plan on doing something for you guys, kind of like a little tutorial on something. But last minute, well, more like 10 minutes ago, my buddy Jason called me up, said, hey, I'm having some troubles with my RC. I've taken it all apart. Can you help me? He's on his way over right now. We're gonna try to fix his RC, put it all back together, and maybe we'll do some running. We'll see. As a side note, I know many of you guys have been anxiously waiting for me to try out this plow. That was actually one of the videos I was going to do this week. However, when it came time to starting to do the filming, I had done some pre-filming ahead of time and I was just about ready to start talking on camera, and I'm like, where is the remote for the winch? Because the winch actually is what operates it up and down. I spent 2.5 hours yesterday looking all around for it, and of course I could not find it. So I'm still looking for it. I have a good feeling I may need to reorder a new winch set, well, the controller for it. So, as soon as I get that fixed, we'll get this thing out and running. On to fixing RCs. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is going to be fun. We're doing the rear diff too, right? No? No. Did you just get the stuff for the front? Yep. That's it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Holy! How did you do that?
I hit a wall. A wall to that, a railroad tie to me.
Yeah, that's not good.
It's okay, still runnable. While the other ones are on order.
Alright, so what am I carrying?
Carnage 1. Piece of...
God damn it, I should have opened that a little more. I should have opened up that other bulkhead hatch. Alright. Hold on, I know, I gotta open up that hatch a little more. Would you just simmer down? There's a lot of broken things on this.
No.
You're missing the bumper. You're missing the ring on top of this. Well, you know.
Still drives. Still gets the job done.
At least it's in one piece. That'll make it a little easier. Okay. Alright. Yup. So we need to do... So what are we doing exactly? Trying to get the cups out of it?
Yes.
Okay.
And I just took the gear off of here and you can't get it out. It's almost like it's pressed on. And then a 2 for one of the things in here.
Okay.
And then a 3 for those. And those.
Okay. No, not yet. We clean. Everything gets clean. Everything.
I need this running this afternoon. Is this where I just do this?
There's just enough of them.
Oh, you know what? Right here.
Is there?
Take that out.
Ah!
And it slides out.
Ooh, that is nifty. I didn't even see that.
Got apart earlier, thinking that I was able to get that out.
See, I didn't even know that.
I taught you something.
Yes, you did. See, there's so many things I learned every day. Look at that. That's crafty. Yay. Broken one out. Time for the replacement.
You can't touch it?
Trying to keep my hands not as dirty. I mean, I got to carry a coffee cup and I got to carry the camera every now and then. Let's go.
I'll bring this. He needs more. I figured you'd want more. Grouchy bastard. I'm melting!
What?
Yes.
All right, the truck is fixed. We're ready to go. We're gonna go bring it somewhere and test it out and see how well it actually works. So yeah, let's do this. What's up, guys? We are here, the Exit 5 woodland area that you guys see a lot of my crawling videos. It's in the middle of the week. It's really the only spot that we could actually find. Plus, I'm gonna do a little bit of tuning to it. So a little bit of snow, figured to have a little bit of fun. All right, so is your controller on?
Yes. That's my situation. And cut.
It's running now. Quick little adjustment. So, looks like it still needs to be tuned a little bit. So, we will go and do that. Filling up with fuel. Huh? Take it off.
It's a hole right there. Covered it.
I wonder if that... I wonder.
I'm kind of curious too.
Because if that's the case, it's not like there was any hole on this.
Huh?
It's not even like there was
I put that on there.
You put that on there? I didn't know you put that on. There's that high-pitched noise I was waiting to hear. Alright guys, well, that pretty much does it for today. It works. It's absolutely covered in snow right now. Take a look at this. This is not something you really want to happen to a 5th scale, in all honesty. But it was fun, right?
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, well, like I said, that pretty much does it. Nothing too fancy. And like I originally said, I had stuff that I was gonna plan on doing today, but obviously some things changed, and you know, instead helped him out, got it fixed, got it running. Still needs a little bit of tuning, but playing around in the snow and the water, this is the best we're gonna do for right now. All right guys, well, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time on the next RC Overload. Later. Any last words?
Bye.